Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will solve Chapter 2 exercise problem number 2.98. While solving this problem, we will be using Kirchoff's current law. According to this law, a cumulative current on a node inside an electrical network is always equal to 0. Sum of all entering currents on a node is always equal to sum of all leaving currents from that node. We also will be using Kirchoff's voltage law. According to this law, a cumulative supplied and dropped voltage across circuit elements in a closed loop is always equal to 0. Ohm's law will also be utilized while solving this problem. According to this law, voltage across any resistance R is always equal to the product of current through it and the value of resistance itself. Now move towards the problem. Exercise problem number 2.98. Find the value of current IA in given below figure such that the value of current I0 inside this figure is 2 milliampere. This is the circuit diagram of given problem. Inside this network, we have to find the value of this constant current source labeled as IA. While one information is given, value of current through this branch is 2 milliampere. So without wasting time, let's proceed towards the solution. First of all, we will try to find out voltage across this 2 kilo ohm resistance because current through this resistance is given. So voltage across this resistance will be the product of current through it and the value of resistance. Product of 2 milliampere and 2 kilo ohm will become 4 volt. Milli will cancel out with kilo. 4 volt will be appearing across this 2 kilo ohm resistance with positive terminal here and negative terminal here because current entering terminal is taken with positive sign and current leaving terminal is taken with negative sign. Now, in order to calculate voltage across this 1 kilo ohm resistance, we will apply Kirchoff's voltage law inside this closed loop. Write KVL equation for this loop. Start from here. Current entering terminal is positive, so voltage across this 1 kilo ohm resistance is taken with positive sign. Next, current entering terminal is negative, so 4 volt will be taken with negative sign. Next, 6 volt will also be taken with negative sign because current is entering from negative terminal. Add 4 volt and 6 volt together, it will become minus 10 volt and place this minus 10 volt on the other hand side of equal to calculate the value of voltage across 1 kilo ohm resistance, that will be 10 volt. Now I have calculated voltage across this 1 kilo ohm resistance, but these voltage are not engaged in the calculation of current IA, so you can skip these steps. We know the value of voltage across this 1 kilo ohm resistance, so we can calculate current through this branch, that will be equal to 10 volt divided by 1 kilo ohm. So the value of current through this branch will be equal to 10 milliampere and the direction of current will be downward in order to make this terminal positive. Now on this node, two currents are entering, one is 2 milliampere and other one is 10 milliampere. So their sum will be equal to 12 milliampere and that 12 milliampere will be leaving from this node. So 12 milliampere current will be passing through this 1 kilo ohm resistance. We can calculate voltage across this resistance using Ohm's law. Voltage across this resistance will be the product of 12 milliampere and 1 kilo ohm. It will become 12 volt and the polarity of these voltage will be positive terminal here and negative terminal here because current is entering towards this terminal. Modify the network. Now in order to calculate voltage across this 2 kilo ohm resistance, we will apply Kirchoff's voltage law in outer closed loop. For that purpose, I have assumed the direction of current in clockwise direction and according to this assumed direction of current, polarity notation across this 2 kilo ohm resistance is marked. Now write KVL equation for this closed loop. Start from here. Current entering terminal is positive, so voltage across this 2 kilo ohm resistance will be taken with positive sign. Next, current entering terminal is negative, so 12 volt will be taken with negative sign. Next, current entering terminal is negative, 10 volt will be with negative sign and at the end current entering terminal is negative, so 6 volt will be taken with negative sign. Now add these voltage together. Their sum will be equal to minus 28 volt, and place minus 28 volt on the other hand side of equal to calculate voltage across this resistance, that will be equal to 28 volt. So 28 volt will be appearing across this 2 kilo ohm resistance. So we can calculate current through this resistance, that will be equal to 28 volt divided by 2 kilo ohm. So the value of current will be 14 milliampere, and the direction of current will be downward, entering from positive terminal and leaving from negative terminal. Modify the network by indicating this branch current as well. Now we will apply Kirchoff's current law on this node to calculate the value of current IA. All of these currents are entering towards this node, so all of these current will be taken with positive sign and added together. This branch current is 12 milliampere and this branch current is also 12 milliampere. Current through this branch is equal to IA, and we are interested to calculate its value. Take the sum of these two 12 milliamperes, their sum will be equal to 24 milliampere, and place this 24 milliampere on the other hand side of equal to calculate the value of current IA. So the value of current IA will be minus 24 milliampere. This was exercise problem number 2.98. Thank you. See you again in next video.